Welcome to our training on Lean Kaizen process for manufacturing. Kaizen's principles focus on the belief that every employee can contribute to process improvements. This focus on people ensures that changes are sustainable and embraced by the workforce. Teams work collaboratively to identify areas for improvement, and progress is made through small, continuous changes. The Kaizen cycle follows the PDCA, Plan, Do, Check, Act approach. First, we identify the issue and plan a solution. Next, we implement the solution on a small scale, do, then check its effectiveness, check. Finally, based on results, we either standardize the improvement or modify the plan for further refinement, act. Kaizen encourages the identification of waste, muda, such as unnecessary movements, waiting times, or overproduction. Bottlenecks and inefficiencies in workflows should be examined, and employee suggestions are a key resource for recognizing areas for improvement. Kaizen events are structured workshops where teams focus on solving specific problems or improving processes within a set time frame, usually 1 week. These events involve a cross-functional team, including workers, managers, and subject matter experts, to drive quick, impactful changes. Kaizen utilizes various tools to analyze and improve processes. The 5 Whys technique helps in identifying the root cause of issues, root cause analysis digs deeper into problems, and value stream mapping provides a visual representation of process flow to highlight inefficiencies. Kaizen delivers tangible benefits such as increased productivity through streamlined processes, reduced waste and operational costs, and improved employee morale as workers feel more engaged and empowered to contribute to organizational success. Success in Kaizen is measured using specific KPIs, such as reductions in cycle time, defect rates, or lead times. Employee feedback is critical in gauging the long-term sustainability of changes and ensuring that improvements align with overall company goals. Kaizen is not a one-time event, but a continuous mindset. Everyone, from the shop floor to leadership, should be involved in identifying areas for improvement. Ongoing training in Kaizen principles and tools will keep your organization on the path to sustained success. Praxie provides simple yet powerful tools for Kaizen process management, as well as dozens of other process solutions. Contact your representative to learn more. In conclusion, Kaizen is a vital part of lean manufacturing that drives efficiency, reduces waste, and improves quality. And now that you're ready, complete your assessment today.